how I got 150,000 followers in just 10 days.
Hey, what's up? I'm O, and today I'm explaining to you how I got 150,000 followers in just 10 days. So to show you I ain't saying bull, this is my account today. You can see it for yourself. The link is down there. Okay, so now we trust each other. So let me tell you my story. Once upon a time, a few weeks ago, beginning of October, I posted a video. At this time, I have 6,000 followers and I've been using TikTok for 3 months. 4 hours later, while I'm getting back from Madrid to France, I get a message from TikTok.
The video you posted on TikTok has been removed for violating our community guidelines.
I'm like,
Does TikTok want to mess with me?
400 likes in 4 hours. That was my best performance back then, so I was very upset. Because my video was a bit sexy, but there was nothing provocative or outrageous. Just a body with a few abs getting out of the shower. As you imagine, I was gutted. 10 days later, I'm in Belgium.
Shoot my next video.
And suddenly, I get a hunch.
Hey, oh, I'm your little voice. You're gonna post your video back on TikTok.
So, I'm like, if I trust my inner voice, I might have my account deleted for insubordination, but it might also be a great hit. Dilemma, welcome! So I am about to break the community guidelines.
Okay.
So on the 10th of October, I am in my hotel room. My fingers are... I try to breathe, my heart is beating, and with my shivering finger, I press the button post. At this moment, I say to myself, hey buddy, if you did it, it means it was the best thing to do, okay? So just trust yourself. Thanks man, it's exactly what I thought! Oh, by the way, I love your necklace. Now, likes start to arrive, little by little. 1, 2, 3, 4. After 45 minutes, I have 625 likes. I'm like, this is amazing, but I don't want my video to get taken down like before. After 1 hour, things start to change. It's not 10 likes per minute, but 200. Subscribers arrive en masse. In 4 hours, I get 4,000 new followers, so 1,000 for 1 hour, so almost 17 every minute, which is 1 every 4 seconds. After 10 hours, my video got viewed 1 million times, and things don't stop here. Because today the video got viewed almost 14 million times, with over 60,000 sharings and 13,000 comments. And things don't stop here. Because even now, my video gets used by people to do duo. More than 1,000 other people used it. So thanks to them, my video spreads out even more and gets me even more followers. And this becomes a virtuous circle. So today, the most important thing I want you to retain is to follow your intuition.
Okay.
And never give up. Because as we see in my story, the same account with the same content had around 6,000k, and just with a little bit of luck, good vibes, perseverance and balls, the exact same account got from 6,000 followers to 160 in no time. The only thing I needed was visibility, because you know, all my videos increased times 10 in likes, in comments, in sharings, and so on. So perseverance and patience are 2 keywords to succeed on TikTok and on any other platform, by the way. Just trust what you already do. Trust your skills, trust your work. If it's not working right now, just keep going a little bit more. Just please don't give up, or everything you have done would have been done for peanuts, okay? When you persevere and you know where you're going, there's like a kind of invisible energy that sets the success process into motion.
So if you needed to hear one thing today, just keep going.